Andrea, want to make letters with your legs?
There's nothing I'd rather do than to make letters with my legs.
Okay, perfecto. Let's do this. Stand with one foot on the floor and lift the other foot in front of you. See? It's like an upside down L.
Or a right side up 7.
Yeah, okay. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Whew. We got this.
I'm having a blast and all, but why am I making letters with my legs?
To practice balancing.
Oh, bien!
Okay, muy bien. Now switch legs, keep the other one leg on the floor and bring the other leg up. See? It's another upside down L.
Or a right side up 7.
See? Okay, hold it for 10 seconds. Keep your balance.
I'm doing my best.
Okay, almost there. Super! Now stand on one leg and lift the other leg to the side, like this. And raise your hands straight up above your head. This one is an upside down Y. See?
Or a big fork with 2 prongs, like you use to barbecue.
Correcto, that too. Hold it for 10 seconds.
Look at me balancing like a hot dog fork.
Almost there. Nice work. Now switch legs. Keep your other leg on the floor and lift your leg out to the side, creating another upside down Y.
Or a barbecue fork.
Así es. Hold it for 10 seconds.
This is making me in the mood for barbecue. What's for lunch?
Veggie burgers con queso.
Yes, I love queso.
Okay, last one. Stand on one leg and bring your other leg to rest inside of your knee. This one is a P.
Or an upside down B.
Yup. Hold it for 10 seconds.
It can also be a sideways straight mouth with tongue sticking out.
Oh, sí. Podría ser. Okay, almost there. Great. Now let's do the other side. Stand on the other leg, bring your opposite leg up, and rest it on the inside of your knee. See? Another peak. Oh.
Or an upside down B, upside down and backwards D, or a sideways straight mouth with the tongue sticking out.
And now we're done.
Great letter legs and number of BBQ fork legs.